Children, let's study the topic blood circulation. The blood circulates throughout the body with the help of pumping action of the heart. And in this diagram, in this particular video, I'll be dealing with the direction of blood flow and the type of blood. And this is referring to the chambers of the heart and the blood vessels, which you have already studied. So in this diagram, this is the diagrammatic view of the human heart. In this diagram, you can clearly see the right hand side of the heart, that is made up of right auricle and right ventricle, is shown with the blue arrows only. That means it is having deoxygenated blood. Means these two chambers are having only deoxygenated blood, that is rich in carbon dioxide. And the left side of the heart, which is made up of two chambers, the left auricle and the left ventricle, is shown with the these two chambers I have shown with the red colored arrows, which is showing which indicates that oxygenated blood is present in these two chambers, that is rich in oxygen. So to see the blood circulation in brief, in detail we can see in the other video. To see the blood circulation, now you can see, as we know, the vena cava, the posterior and anterior, or the superior and inferior vena cava, is pouring the blood into the right auricle, that is deoxygenated blood, and the superior vena cava is bringing blood from the upper body parts, and the inferior vena cava is bringing the blood from the lower body parts, that is legs and lower body parts, all the parts, legs and abdomen and the lower part of the body. And this deoxygenated blood coming to the right ventricle, passing through the tricuspid valve, and is taken away by the pulmonary arteries to the lungs for oxygenation, or you can say for purification. The correct term is for oxygenation. So the deoxygenated blood is gone for oxygenation to the lungs. Now the second part is, or the second side of the heart, which is completely filled with only oxygenated blood. That blood which pulmonary artery took for the oxygenation is coming back from the lungs, that is oxygenated blood. After oxygenation, this blood is coming to the left auricle by pulmonary vein. So this arrow is showing that pulmonary vein is bringing oxygenated blood, that is rich in oxygen, to the left auricle, and from the left auricle it is coming to the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve, and from left ventricle it is pumped to all parts of the body through aorta. And this particular oxygenated blood is going to all parts of the body. So in this video you have seen how the blood circulation occurs in brief, pertaining to the direction of flow and the type of blood, that is oxygenated and deoxygenated. And here we are only referring to chambers and blood vessels. So the blood circulation in detail we will be seeing in other videos.